Walsingham, the founder of Prime Coastal Property, and I'm here today with Oliver Ingalls from DDRE Global in Weybridge, Surrey, in this beautiful property.
Guys, today we are going to show you a home which is 4,700 square foot and is sat on just over 1 acre's plot in arguably one of the most desirable roads here in Surrey. We cannot wait to show you around.
We can't wait. Let's go and have a look.
Do you know what? One of my favourite features of this home is how private and secluded this garden is.
It's fantastic, isn't it? I mean, the location's brilliant, but you just feel so secluded. And it's
Amazing.
So tranquil, and the backdrop is just gorgeous.
It's fantastic. You can imagine all your summers here with your kids and families in the pool and you're having barbecues. It's a fantastic entertaining space.
Yeah, no, it really is. It's really family orientated. So St George's Hill, the estate is built on 900 acres of land, which is just incredible. And it was built in the early 1900s, I believe, by W.G. Tarrant. It's a very renowned developer locally. You've got 40 houses.
That's right. Yeah, 40 homes, and all were very much different in the aesthetics from the outside.
Yeah.
There was no cookie cutter similar homes. And over the years, a lot of owners have redeveloped, have extended, have even knocked down and started again.
Yeah.
So this plot offers a lot of potential for an owner to really make it their dream home, not just internally, but actually externally.
I agree. It has so much potential because it's such a fabulous plot. And I mean, it has so much character as it is, but really the redevelopment potential is huge as well.
Huge.
As you enter the gated community, you're greeted with 24-hour security on both entrances. Upon driving to the property, you can view the golf club, and moments away lies the tennis courts.